Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how to make sure your PC is using all RAM. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech insights and troubleshooting tips. Step 1. To begin, let's modify the system configuration settings. 1. Press the Windows plus R keys simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type msconfig and press Enter. 3. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. 4. Uncheck the Maximum Memory option, then click OK. 5. Apply the changes and select OK to save. Restart your computer. Upon reboot, your system should utilize all of your RAM effectively. Step 2. Additionally, ensure you are using the 64-bit version of Windows. 1. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. 2. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. 3. In the System Information window, locate the system type entry. 4. Check if it says x64-based PC. This indicates your device is compatible with a 64-bit system. 5. If not, consider upgrading to a compatible 64-bit version of Windows to fully utilize your system's RAM potential. And that's it. We hope this will make sure your PC is using all RAM. Thanks for watching and see you next time.